Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah, we'll start with using the distributive property. What is the meaning of the distributive property? The distributive property that we distribute the multiplication on addition or subtraction. Multiplication on addition or subtraction. So, at the first, I will start explaining, then we can open the book, then continue solving. So for the first one, when I ask you 5 times 10, what is the answer for this one? What is the answer for this one? Abdurrahman?
50.
50. So when I ask you 5 times 100, the answer would be
500.
500. So suppose that we need to multiply 5 times 23. We need to use the distributive property for multiplication. How are we going to use the distributive property? At the first, look at the large number. The large number that we have, or the greatest number that we have, which is 23. So write the smallest number without any change. 23. Can you write 23 in expanded form? 23 in expanded form. 23. Who can write 23 in expanded form? Malik, what is the expanded form for 23?
The expanded form is
The expanded form of 23 is equals
23.
the expanded form of 23. We need what is the expanded form for 23?
2 times 10 plus 3 times 1.
Yes, 2 times 10, which equals to 20, plus 3 times 1, which equals 3. That is the expanded form. So convert the large number to the expanded form, which is 20 plus 3. That's by using the distributive property. So any problem until now? Just we have 5 times 23. We leave 5 without any change and convert 23 to be 20 plus 3. Then after that, how we can solve it? So all of what I have to do, just multiply 5 times 20 plus 5 times 3. I will distribute 5 times 20 one time and another time 5 times 3. 5 times 20, all what I have to do, just write 0. 5 times 2 equals 10. Plus 5 times 3 equals 15. By adding, the answer will be 115. Again for this one. Again for this one. Just try to listen, focus, please. Then, if you don't understand, ask after that. I will solve 3 or 4 questions, then you can ask. Again for this one. I need to multiply 7 times 14. How we can multiply that? Or what I have to do? Just 7 without any change. Then times. What is the expanded form for 14? Which is 10 plus 4. After that, by using the distributive property, I will just multiply 7 times 10, then 7 times 4. So it will be 7 times 10 plus 7 times 4. 7 times 10 equals 70 plus 7 times 4 equals 28. By adding, it will be 98. Again for this one. When I need to multiply, I need to multiply. Choose any number, like 6 times 13. How we can multiply this one? All what I have to do, just leave 6 without any change. Then times. 13 will be 10 plus 3. Then by using the distributive property, just distribute 6 times 10 plus 6 times 3. 6 times 10 equals 60. 6 times 3 equals 18. By adding will be 78. Again for this one. If you need to multiply 5 times 37, how we can multiply this one? I will write 5, then time. Just 1 minute. Okay. So 37, it will be 30 plus 7. So the answer now will be 5 times 30 plus 5 times 7. 5 times 30, I will put 0 out. 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 times 7 equals 35. After that, I will add them. So the answer now will be 185. If you have any problem for this question, please raise your hand. If you have any problem for this question, please raise your hand. If you have any problem for this question, please raise your hand. What is the question that you have? Muhammad Tamer?
Yes, mister. Can you repeat again?
Again, this one? This one?
Yeah.
Okay, choose any 2 numbers. Like 8 times any number, format from 2 digits.
26.
26. So write 8 without any change. Times. Convert 26 to be the sum of 2 numbers. The expanded form. What's 26? Write the value of each digit.
I cannot understand.
With the value of each digit, the expanded form for this one. What is the expanded form?
Yeah. 2 by...
Not 2 pi. I need 26 in expanded form. The expanded form. What is the value of 2?
Yeah, 2 by 20.
What is the value of 2? My question is, what is the value of 2? My question is, what is the value of 2? That's my question.
Yeah. 10.
Stop playing with anything. Yeah, Muhammad Tamer.
Yeah.
Stop playing. Just look at the screen. خلاص?
Yeah, I am
Okay.
looking.
Okay. So what is the value of 2?
Tens.
What is the value? Not the place value. Value.
20.
20. Plus, what is the value of 6?
6.
So now use the distributive property.
What?
Use the distributive property. Just multiply 8 times 20. Then 8 times 6.
8 times 20.
8 times 20 plus 8 times 6. Just if you was listening because you was playing. So just multiply this. Multiply this one.
8 by 20
Equals? How we can multiply this one? We put 0 out without any change. Then 8 times 2 equals? 8 times 2.
8 times 2. Yeah. 8 times 2 equal...
It's depend on multiplication on the timetable. No, it's depend on the timetable. If you don't know the timetable, so you will not be able to solve this one. You have to memorize the timetable, then we can solve it. Without memorizing the timetable, wallahi, there is nothing to explain. You have to memorize the timetable. That's the only way to solve this question. Okay? So...
Okay.
Okay. Abdurrahman Shukri, what's the problem?
No, there is no problem.
So why you are raising your hand for this one? Again raising the hand? Yusuf, what is the problem, Yusuf?
Mister, I know the answer.
I'm not asking about the answer. My question, if you didn't understand, please raise your hand.
No,
That's
I
my
understand.
question. So, is there any problem for this part? Any problem for this part? Okay. So, open your book now. Open your book. Page 120. Page 120. Open your book, page 120. So, who will solve with me this question? Open your book, page 120. Open your book, page 120. Malik, solve with me the first one.
18 times 5. Yeah. 18 times 5 is like 10 plus 8.
At the first, I will write 5 without any change here, and I will just change 18 to be
Yes.
10 plus
8.
Yeah. Yes.
And then 10
5
times
5 times
10
yes,
is
and again,
uh,
and just at the first use the 3 property. Then 5 times
5 times
we
8
write yes.
equals
Now we need just 1 minute. Yeah, Malik, just 1 minute. Try to listen, please, for this one. Try to listen to understand. At the first, I will multiply 5 times 10, then 5 times 8. After that, the second step, I will find the answer. So step number 1, just distribute. Step number 2, find the answer. So now we need to find the answer for the first bracket, 5 times 10. What is the answer for this one?
50.
What is the answer for the second bracket?
40.
Okay, can you add them together?
50. 90.
Okay, it means, so 5 times 18 equals?
90.
90, okay. Thanks. So the next one, Abdurrahman, we need to multiply 2 times 21.
Okay. 2 times 20.
20 plus
1.
1. Then
2 times 20
plus
2 times 1.
Okay, what is the answer for the first one?
2 times 20 equals.
Just we put 0, then
put 0,
multiply.
2 times 2 equals 4.
Okay. Then
2 times 1 equals 2.
So 40 plus 2 equals 42. So the answer now will be 42. Okay. Any problem for this page? Any problem for this page? So please, if you finish, try to finish this page, please. Finish this page, please. If you finish, raise your hand. If you finish writing this page, please raise your hand. If you finish writing this page, please raise your hand. Okay. So we can go to the next page. Who can solve with me this question? Question number 3. Who will solve with me question number 3? Only Malik, Abdurrahman, Walid. We need a Walid. Walid.
Yes, mister.
What is the answer for this one?
The answer, we put 6.
Yes. So 6
down.
times.
And then we put 10 multiplied by 3.
No, not 10 multiplied by 3. 10 plus
3.
3, yes. Then
we do 6 multiplied by 10.
Yes. Plus
6 multiplied by 3.
Okay. After that?
6 multiplied by 10 equals 16.
60.
60.
Plus
And 6 plus 6
times
multiplied by 3
equals
27.
No. 6 times 3.
6 times 3 is
6 times 3.
6 times 3 equal 18.
Okay.
I only
Then? Okay.
We put the 1 at the 6 equals 17, and then we put the 8, 78.
78. Then 6 times 13 equals 78. Okay. Who can solve with me question number 4? Number 4. Number 4. I need another one who didn't solve. Number 4. Number 4, Yusuf.
Yes, Mister.
Yusuf.
Number 4, 3 times 52 equals small 3 multiplied by 50 plus 2.
3 times
52
50 plus 2. Then?
and then 3 multiplied by 50, then 3
Plus?
multiplied by 2.
3 multiplied by 2. Okay. Which equals?
3 times 50 equal 150.
Yes.
3 times 2 equals 6.
So the answer now will be?
156.
Perfect. So 3 times 52 is 156. Okay. Thanks.
Thank you, Mister.
Welcome. So we need Hamza Naeem to solve with me question number 5. Hamza Naeem, question number 5. Okay.
Yes. 5.
Ibrahim Galoom will solve the number 6. Okay. So
5 multiplied by 20 plus 6.
multiplied by 20 plus 6. Okay. Which equals?
5 multiplied by 20.
5
Yes, 5
multiplied by 20.
Then 5 multiplied by 6.
5 multiplied by 6. So the answer now would be?
25. 20 multiplied by 100 and...
At the first, 5 times 20. How we can multiply this one? How multiply 5 times 20?
5 times 20 is...
Yes. How we can multiply this one?
By... What do you mean?
How we multiply this one? How we multiply 5 times 20?
5 times 20?
Yes.
Good.
Hmm.
Yeah, 5 times...
How we multiply this one? Put 0 at the first. Put 0, then multiply 5 times 2. I say the step. How we can multiply this?
100.
Okay, that's 100. Plus 5 times 6 equals?
5 times 6 is 30.
Yes. So the answer now would be?
130.
Okay. So 5 times 26 is 130. Okay. So Ibrahim Galoom, where's Ibrahim? Ibrahim Galoom. Solve with me question number 6. Question number 6.
You're lagging.
You or me?
You.
So can you hear me now?
Yeah, but the question that was above, I didn't write it.
Okay, leave the question above.
Okay.
Solve with me question number 6 now. If you understand, you can solve it, no problem.
I understand. With 4 times. 4 times bracket 60 plus 9.
Yes.
Then another bracket. Equal bracket 5 times
4.
No, 4
4 times
60.
Okay. Plus
4 times 9.
Okay. Which equals?
Equal 4 times 16. can I multiply it now?
Just how we can multiply this one? How you multiply it? How you multiply this one?
4 times 0 equals 0.
Yeah, at the first put 0. If you want, put 0. Put 0. Put 0 down. If you multiply any number contain 0, remove the 0 from the operation and put it outside. Then the only remaining now is 4 times 6. 4 times 6 equals? 4 times 6, what is the answer for 4 times 6?
28.
No. Memorizing the timetable is important to solve all of the next question. It's depend on the timetable, multiplying and division. So if you are not solving, if you don't know not memorizing the timetable, it will be problem. You will not be able to solve.
24.
So 24. Now we need 4 times 9.
4 times 9.
Yes.
I remember.
4 times 9. What is the answer for this one?
36.
Yes, perfect. So now we need to add them. How are we gonna add this one?
How?
240
6
plus
0.
36. So the answer now will be?
6 plus 0 equals 6.
Okay.
3 and 4, 7. And then
Yes.
we put 2.
Right, 2. So the answer now will be 276. Okay. Thanks. So who will solve with me the next one? Turkey. Turkey question number 7. Turkey question number 7. How are we gonna solve question number 7, Turkey? Turkey is not here. Yusuf Adil.
Yes, Mr.
Okay.
Also, 2 multiply the bracket 40 plus 9.
Okay.
And then the bracket 2 multiply by 40 plus 2
Times 9. Okay. 2 times 40 equals?
2 and put 0 down.
Okay.
2 times 4 equal 8.
So it would be 80 plus?
80. And then 2 times 9 equals 18.
Okay.
The answer is
What is the answer? Just add 80 plus 18.
98.
Yes, perfect. 98. So the answer now would be 98.
98.
Okay,
Thank you.
thanks.
Again.
So where's Malik? There is no Malik. Malik. Where is Malik? Yes, raise your hand that I can see you. Malik, solve with me question number 8.
Yes, mister.
Okay,
I don't know my 7 times table good, but I know a bit of it.
Just you can try.
I know till 10.
Okay.
I mean 5.
So you will solve this question or not?
Yeah. I'll
Okay.
try it. So 7 times bracket 20 plus 3, and then 7 times 20 bracket 7 times 20 plus 7 bracket 7 times 3,
Yes.
and then the answer for 7 14.
So put 0 at the first, put 0. So
Yeah.
7 times 2
0.
equals 14 plus 7 times 3 equals
21.
21. So the answer now would be by adding.
So 1.
1. 4 and 2.
5, 6.
6.
1.
1. So 161. The answer would be 161. Okay. Thanks. So we need Abdurrahman will solve the next one. Then the next page will be Yusuf. Yusuf Khattabi will be the next page. Abdurrahman.
Yes.
Yeah, Abdurrahman.
Yeah.
Okay. So how to solve this one?
26 6 times
6 times
20
plus
6
6
and then 6 times 20
okay plus
6 times 6
okay, so it would be
then 6 times 20 equals 120.
perfect, huh?
Then 6 times 6 equals 36.
Yes, perfect. 120 plus 36.
156.
156.
156.
Okay.
Mister,
Yes.
can you send for us a worksheet?
The worksheet, I upload all of the worksheet on
Can you send for us a worksheet?
the worksheet on the website. If you want, you can download the worksheet or you can solve it. I will send, no problem. I will send the link for the website, no problem. Okay. So we need, where is Walid? Walid. Walid. Yes, Walid. Why you put your hands down? You want to escape, you will not solve?
Put my hands down because you write my name.
So you have to put your hands up because that's your name. If you raise your hand, your name becomes up. So I can't see your name. Okay?
Okay.
Only I can see the names that if you raise your hand, I can see the name up. Okay? Because just you remove, you put your hands down, it will be rearranged the alphabet. So it will be, your name will be down.
Now we put the 4 down.
4 times.
And then we put 10
50.
50 plus 5.
Yes. I think now the lesson is easy.
And then we put 4 multiplied by 5.
50.
15.
50.
Plus multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5.
Yes. What is the answer for the first one?
The 4 multiplied by 5, it's 20.
And there is 0 here. So don't forget that we have a 0.
I know.
Okay.
And then 20.
So put the 0 at the first. Put the 0 at the first. Put 0, then multiply. Okay. 4 times 5 equals, again, one more time, 20. So we have 200 plus 20. So what is the answer for this one?
220.
220.
The lesson is too easy, mister.
Just if you listen, if you keep silent and focus as what I tell you, the lesson will be easy. Ross, any problem for this one? Yusuf Khattabi. Yeah, Yusuf. Now we have the problem solving. The horse is 17 hands tall. The horse is 17 hands tall. If the hand is 4 inches, how the tall in inch? Again for this one, the horse is 17 hands. Suppose that we have here, that's the first hand number 1. That's the first unit. Hand is a unit, is a length unit. So we have one hand. So you understand it? Okay. So each hand is formed from 4 inches.
We will do 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 17 the first thing, and then we will do 4, and then we will do
4 times
4 multiplied. 4 times, and then the. I don't.
I will solve here, so I will write 4 times 17. So it would be 4 times, open a bracket.
Yes, it will be 1.
Not 1. 1 here is not 1. What is the value of 1 in 17? What is the value of 1? Leave the book, please. Leave the book. Just leave the book, and even if you give me a wrong answer, I will accept it. No problem for me. Leave the book. The main point for me that you understand.
10, yeah, Mister.
Yes.
10.
10.
10 multiplied by 7.
Not multiply.
Plus 7, yes.
Because
Plus 7.
17 is equals 10 plus 7.
Plus 7, yes.
Yes.
10 plus 7.
Okay.
And then 4. 4 multiply by 10.
Yes.
And 4 multiply by 7.
Okay. So
Okay, 4 multiply by 10 equals 40.
Yes. Plus.
And 4 multiplied by 7 equal 28.
Perfect. So the answer now will be
68.
68. So the answer will be 68 inches. Any problem for this lesson? If you have any problem, please raise your hand. If you have any problem, raise your hand. If you have any problem, please raise your hand. What is the problem? If you have any problem, Eslam, what's the problem?
Mister, I don't understand.
From which part? That you didn't. You just, by the way, you joined late. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, so you joined late. How can I explain from the beginning? So, Tamer, what's the problem?
I want to answer the next one.
But the problem, the time is over now, and I have another session in grade 5.
No, just 4 minutes.
Okay.
There is 4 minutes.
Just 2
left.
minutes. 2 minutes. Okay, solve the second one. I will not say no. Okay.
Okay. 5 by 36.
Okay. Equal.
Then 5 by brackets.
Yes.
5 by bracket. Then we put 30.
Yes. Plus what?
Plus.
Leave the book, ya Muhammad, and just look at the screen. Leave the book and look at the screen. Even if the answer is wrong, no problem. Just look at the screen. 30 plus what?
Yeah. Plus 6.
Okay. What is the next step? Hurry up, huh?
Yeah. The next step, we go and you write 4.
How 4?
Bracket and then 5. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Bracket, then 5.
Bracket. Just give me the operation, please, yeah, Muhammad, and I will write. Which operation that I have to write? Muhammad.
Yeah, you have
يا
to
محمد
write.
ركز معايا يا محمد الله يكرمك ركز just focus write what? Give me the operation.
5 5.
Leave the bracket. Don't say the bracket. خلاص leave the bracket. 5 what?
Okay. 5 by 30.
Yes.
And then 5 by 6.
Okay.
And 5 by 30. 5 by 30. You put the 0 out. Then you put 5 by 3. Is 15.
Yes, perfect. Plus
5 by 6 is 35.
No.
Not 35. 5
No,
by 6.
30.
Yeah.
Not 35.
Then you make them plus. They will be 180.
Okay, thanks. So the answer now is 180.